In the last video, we have seen multiple compound statement, if, while, for, and few other too. Well, let's try to understand one by one about each of those statements in our further videos. In this video, let's try to understand the if statement. If statement is also called as flow control statement or conditional statement. Why it is flow control statement? Because the if statement might change the flow control based on a specific condition. That is why even it is called as a conditional statement. Always the condition result either true or false. You may call it the Boolean value. So if it is true, set of instructions will execute, and if it is false, another set of instructions will execute. So let's see it in the code so that you'll understand in a much better way.